Airwrap sent to me, like by Dyson. Like, what? What's up, you guys? Welcome to a new video. I'm in a process right here. I just finished cooking and eating. That dish was actually super delicious. It's nothing like too fancy or crazy. It's super easy to make. So I'll leave like a Hellofresh like recipes and ingredients that you need. But yeah, super good. And now I'm doing my hair because I got this Dyson Airwrap sent to me, like by Dyson. Like, what? You know, I am the biggest fan of the Dyson vacuum. So when they approached me and they wanted to send this to me, I was like, of course, like, what are you talking about? So I have half of my hair done, and I'm going to crack on with the other half, the top half, which is like the most tedious part, but the results are going to be super nice. And so the process is like to do the Dyson first, and then I go in with a straightener, and then I go back with the Dyson to get the curls in. So you'll see the whole process pieces by pieces because it's just gonna take way too long for me to put all of that in this video, but let's get going. Alright, before I continue, I wanted to share with you real quick the products that I use because I think that can make the biggest difference. I use this shampoo from Briogeo. It is like a scalp exfoliator. It's charcoal and coconut oil micro exfoliating shampoo. I love it so much. I've mentioned this previous times on my channel. It's just one of my favorite shampoos of all time. It really gets all of that gunk built up from your scalp out, especially like I use when I do my buns. I use a gel every single day, so it's nice to get all that buildup out. And then I use this deep conditioning mask as like my conditioner. I've mentioned this a lot of times as well. I don't really use a conditioner anymore. I use like either a mask or like a deep conditioner, and this works like super great. It's either this one or the one from Kerastase, which I love using. And then for heat protectant, I use these two products. This is the Wow Cream Coat, and this one is the Lanza Smoother Straightening Balm. They both kind of say that they do the same, so they are heat protected and they also help to combat frizz. Now, I use them together, I don't know why, so I can't tell you which one works the best or whatever, but together they work just great. Like, if you can see my hair, it's nice and straight, and hopefully it really protects the hair from the heat as well. So yeah, these are the two ones that I use. So let me get back to the hair. Alright, you guys, this is the final result. I'm really happy with it. I still have to play with the Dyson a little bit more, especially this attachment, just to figure it out, to get the curls like really in. I do love a slight wave though, but in the case that I want like real curls, it is supposed to be able to do that, and I do get it like down. However, the curls like don't stay, so I have to figure that out. But really happy with the results. And I also, for shininess, I use this product right here. The whole process did take me quite a long time though, but it's nice to know that, you know, I can actually do my own hair. I used to do this like way back when I used to have my hair like straightened like chemically, and I used to do it all the time myself, but I haven't like really blown dry my hair in years, ever since my hair is like natural. So yeah, I love it. The hair is super healthy and soft, and really like it. And the most important thing, it didn't frizz. That's like, I can't like deal with frizz. It's just horrible. So I'm really happy that it's frizz free. What's up, you guys? I am going to get my nails done today. It's been almost a month. These nails need to get done. I'm thinking keeping the length just a little bit shorter, tiny bit, and then I'm going for something very neutral because my next appointment is in like 6 weeks. I don't know, just because of the scheduling and stuff, that's the way it is. So I want something neutral so that you won't really see when it grows out. And then maybe afterwards have to do like run some errands in the city center. So yeah, let's go. Alright, you guys, I'm back home, and I forgot that I totally didn't show you my outfit, and I think it's pretty cute. Very simple, but you know the drill by now. This t-shirt is from Frankie's shop. I love that it's like a little bit boxy. I took out the shoulder pads, and it comes like very low on the arms, which I like. And the jeans are from Everlane, Hermes sandals, and my Salmont handbag. I'm out of breath because I went up the stairs. But yeah, so this is it. It was actually very hot today, so I could have worn like a dress, but this was also a little bit more practical, like a nice grab and go kind of outfit. I'm going to close out the vlog. And by the way, don't mind the mess. It's like a mess in here because I just finished filming and all of that as well. But I'm going to close out the vlog because I have to go on an emergency trip back home. Hopefully I can, you know, talk about that a little bit more in the future. But for now, it's just too much. So thank you so much for watching, and hopefully if I have the strength, I'll vlog in Curacao, and otherwise probably the vlogs will be a little bit slow for a little bit, but don't worry, like God is good all the time, so we're going to get through it. So thank you so much, and bye bye.